Hello everyone, we are at Ideal Systems booth at CABSAT 2025 and I'm with Mohammed from Ideal Systems, so let's get to know them a little bit more.
First of all, I want to thank Zero Density to be part of our booth this year. This is a big value for us to have a big name like Zero Density with us, exhibiting with us in an exciting CABSAT this year. We are Ideal System Middle East. We are part of Ideal System Hong Kong, which we have about 16 branches. We established in 1990. And we moved to Asia in the mid of the 90s, became the biggest system integrator in APAC area. Recently, let's say about 4 months ago, we established our last 2 offices in this region, which is in Saudi Arabia and Istanbul. So I'd like to talk a bit about Zero Density with us this year. It's make our booth really busy, and we are very happy to have you here.
Thank you so much for having us this year. We also see a huge crowd here coming to see our latest Lino workflow award-winning at the NAB show. So let's talk about a few projects that we've done together in the region. Can you give us details of what we've delivered?
Sure, 100%. The first project we start with Zero Density, it was Azhari TV in Egypt. This was the first setup for Unreal engines from Zero Density to be as on air graphics. So we start this as a beginning of this as well. It was before the Lino established. We tried to do this and it was great and it was very nice setup. We did this in about 3 engines was set up there for AR, video wall and on-air graphics, which is used for logo, CG and ticker. It was very great, especially that when we saw the ability for the Unreal to have an open source graphics in the internet, that no need to have an expert in the graphics to do the design and to do all the works. It was very easy, and honestly, the whole in-house design for Azhari TV, it is done less than 1 month. When they move it from the normal engine that they have to the Unreal engine from Zero Density, they built the whole in-house design within less a month. We are very happy about this project. It was the start of our relationship with Zero Density. It was about 3 years ago. Then we have Abu Dhabi Medium, which is a virtual studio with the 3 engines. It is a very great setup, and recently we upgraded these engines to be part not just for the broadcast VR, we added to the cinema cameras. So this engine is connected to 2 type of cinema cameras like Alexa from Ari and Red. I am very impressed about the internal keying that having from Zero Density, which is make our life really easier. And the third project as well, it was a virtual studio in Al Arabi TV in Qatar, which is about another 3 engine connected to a broadcast camera, and it was really a great success for us.
What kind of broadcast your clients are giving to the audiences? Are they weather, news, sports, or a mix of everything?
Let's say mostly in the virtual studio they using it for general news, but in general it's make the customer life easier than building a new setup and decoration and such things, which is taking time, a lot of money, many resources, lighting, any setup they need to do it. It is just a few days, the setup is ready. All the resources, they can find it online as this open Unreal resources. They build the studio and very fast. They just controlling the lighting, they controlling everything, they do the keying, and it was very easy for them.
Amazing. So what is next in the region for us, Mohammed? What are we trying to aspire together here?
Yeah, we are working right now very fast with Zero Density, especially with the new Lino, which is a very great input, especially that can you do an integration with several news system. So this is a very great input that it should be there for a long time. Lino right now, it is in our booth here. We are going sure to do a demo on several TV stations and to start pushing them to have this great system with this great engine. It is very valuable, especially with the license type, the business style and everything else, which will be a very cost effective for the end user and very valuable, especially in the how to do the design and the easier for the design and the beauty for the Unreal.